Okay, good morning, everybody. So welcome to this daily currency call webinar where Jin shares his analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So the usual schedule of the week is Monday, Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday, Euro, Wednesday, Pound, Thursday, Yen and Gold, Friday, Canadian Dollar. So yeah, today's Tuesday, so we will be doing the Euro. So I see many familiar names here, but I do see some new names too. So before we start the session, help me with this poll. Is this your first time here? So yeah, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risks. So a disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we do have some new names here. So help me with the second poll on how did you get here? So while you guys are filling out the poll, a quick introduction about Jin. He's the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMS Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he trades more than US $11 million account on a daily basis for his managed account clients. And he's also an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and in Singapore, sharing his views about the FX market. Yeah, so just a quick look at the poll again. Yeah, we do have many of you coming in from the Telegram channel. So just a quick sharing about the LCMS Traders Club here. So yeah, this is our private Facebook group where we teach, guide, signal, and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So this is the place to be, whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. So if you have joined us from the Telegram, you have been receiving our signals for free. But a question that you might have is that you are told when to enter a trade, but you do not know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals. So if you look at the screen, we actually guide you and tell you where to exit with specific reasons. So if you look at this signal here, okay.
Internet is too slow.
Okay, yeah. So if you look at the signals here, when we fire out the signals here earlier than the Telegram, we actually give out the signal analysis behind it, like step 1 to step 5, telling you why we enter the trade in proper analysis order, where you can also learn from the Traders Club under our 4-day FX Kickstarter course. So on top of that, we also tell you whether to secure your profits or to continue holding it, which all this you don't get it on the Telegram. So yeah, why we do this is that, you know, in the long run, not only do you earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. So if you are also new, if you are new to trading or you require some coaching, we have also members only coaching sessions. Like for example, just yesterday we had a special guest, Benedict, talking about how to invest in the sustainability sector. So this is sometimes we do invite special guests here, but on the usual basis, we actually give you the economic roundup of last week. We do some signals coaching, and Jin will usually do some group coaching with everybody. So, you know, a lot of coaching here being done, and also some tutorial videos every Wednesday. So these are held live, where Daniel talks about trend, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, divergence. So a whole series of learning videos that you can take part on. So, you know, this is also the opportunity where you can pick Jin's brain on pretty much on any trading related questions you might have. And we have a wide array of other tools that you can use, like the currency watch list. And like I mentioned, we actually have, like this is how the currency watch list look like. And we have our 4-day FX case starter video. So if you are new, you can actually just hop in here and learn everything from scratch. Yeah, so all this information is here to help you, get into trading success, shortcutting your way to trading success. So yeah, to join this group, you just have to hop on to LCMS tradersclub.lcms.com.sg, paid subscription of $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day. So just scroll down, click here, and get your subscription now. So if you are facing uncertainty or taking any unnecessary risk on your trades, you need to join the club and get some guidance and towards profits and some coaching to improve your strategy. So with a group of coaches, with Jin, with a group of community of traders trading together, your trading journey will definitely be more enjoyable and profitable. So make sure you just join us in Traders Club. So with that, I'll just pass the time now to Jin for the currency call.
I'm having so much fun saying different kinds of hello, so we just keep going. All right, so today is Tuesday. We are talking about the Euro US dollar, the Euro pound, looking into what could move prices. I feel like it's only going to go upwards, but I'll tell you why I think it's going to go upwards. But before that, I shared briefly about the 4-day course. So this is the 4-day course here. I think the link is going to go up. If you are, I think most of you are already in the 4-day course, but if you're not, or if you are already, copy that link, post it in your Facebook. You know the drill. Help me out. Absolutely free. Ignore the other stuff up there. All you have to do is know that it's going to be on the 1st of December, the 3rd of December, the 8th, and the 10th of December from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT plus 8. Absolutely give you the indicators, give you the course material in PDF, give you a trading account. And for those of you who share the link, get as many people on board as possible, have a live trading account, and actually do participate in the 4-day course, you do stand a chance to win 1 out of 4 fully funded live trading accounts. And in those live trading accounts, we are looking at anywhere between 5,000 to 10,000 US dollars in those live accounts for you to trade. Because I know that most of the time, well, maybe sometimes, you all know what you're doing, you want to trade, but trading capital is a small problem. So we are giving out, never done this before at all. First time I'm doing this, fully live trading accounts. Terms and conditions apply, obviously, because it's a lot of money there. But all you have to do is share the link, make sure people you share with attend, make sure you attend and participate and have a live trading account. All you have to do after that, click join now, and it brings you to the Facebook group, and then you just click join. We'll let you in. That's all you have to do, and then turn up from the 1st, 3rd, 8th, and 10th of December. With that said, looking at the news today, so we're not on Monday, we're on Tuesday here. We just had the Aussie meeting minutes, Aussie meeting minutes come out. You saw some reaction to the Aussie dollar, not a lot, not a big deal happening there. But with the focus on the Euro US, the Euro dollars today, I'm still holding that same view as I shared with you yesterday, that we're going to see some more weakness into the US dollar, despite the retail sales number here looking, although it's positive, it's going from 1.9 to 0.5, dropping down a little bit, but we could see a bit of an upset. We might actually see an upset in the retail sales number here because of the lead up to the festive period of Christmas. People start buying early leading up to Christmas, buying early because they anticipate maybe to get locked down again. So Retail sales number might be a little bit better here. We spoke about the dairy numbers for New Zealand. Lagarde speaking at midnight tonight. And then you can see that we have some Euro CPI numbers, but if you have attended a 4-day course, you know what I'll tell you. But if you haven't, make sure you attend the 4-day course. CPI numbers is not one of the big numbers that I would pay a lot of attention to for the Eurozone. But with that, you can see also not much of a change. So that's not going to impact the euro dollar too much tomorrow. Scrolling through, Lagarde speaking again, employment numbers for Aussie, we spoke about that. So you can see that not a lot of news. Lagarde speaking a lot, but it's at all different events, not policy events. So you can see that not a lot of news. The main focus is still back towards that US dollar strength or weakness, right? Which makes it a lot easier when we start looking at the charts. Looking at the charts here, you'd see that we are looking towards that US dollar weakness. Okay, we are looking towards a short, medium-term US dollar weakness, predominantly because of now hopefully a bit of a settlement in the election, in the presidential election. We've seen that come in, and with Biden coming in, we saw potentially a weaker US dollar for the medium term. And then with the increase in COVID cases again, again another weakness towards the US dollar. Overall, we see the US dollar has been getting a bit weaker over the last week. Okay, at this point now for the Euro US on the H4 time frame, I would say I wouldn't tell you to get into a trade right now. I do think that it will get towards 1.19, towards this resistance of 1.19 as it did last week. But if you were to get into a trade here, you're looking at a good 36. Well, a 36 pip, I wouldn't say it's good. A 36 pip profit, but your downside could be anywhere from 37 to 70 pips. Would you want to risk 70 to make 30? I didn't think so, right? So what I would actually suggest is sit out, wait for it, right? Sit out and wait. Let it climb up towards that 1.19 and then make a decision from there. Most likely it will hit 1.19 and then actually, despite what I say, dollar weakness, we see that dollar weakness go up. It'll probably cross up that 1.19 and then after that turn back down. Okay, I'll move that line a bit that way. So we might actually see it go up, test the 1.19 resistance level, and then turn back down to retest this 1.18. I see this 1.19 and 1.18 range as something that's going to be testing or bouncing within that range for maybe an extended period of time. Because in the overall scheme of things, US dollar is going to be weaker. However, the euro doesn't want to be too strong as well. It's going to hamper a lot of that stimulus, going to hamper a lot of the economic activity if the euro dollar is too strong. So we're going to see that bounce between the 1.19 and 1.18 levels. Trade within that range. I think that's going to be quite a good range to trade. If it does break above 1.19, heading towards 1.2, then be super careful. Why? Because the last time it got to 1.2 was, this is the daily chart, last time it got to 1.2 was here in September. Was it September? Yeah, 1st of September here. And you can see that at this point, it hit 1.2 and came straight back down and broke to 1.19, 1.18, and then after that, all the way down to 1.16. So I do think that we might see it go up, test this 1.19. I would be very careful if it tests 1.2. If it tests 1.2, it looks like a great place to be selling. But at 1.19, we can look for it to trade within that range. That's the Euro US dollar. Any questions, put it in the chat. Just check the chat for a moment. It never seems like you guys have questions. Okay. Yes, Peter, some of us have the skill set to trade profitable, but not enough capital. This is why we're doing this, giving live trading accounts to you. If you invite, attend and participate. Okay, so looking at the euro pound, I'll take this line away, it's a bit confusing. Euro pound on the H4 time frame. Look at this. Straightforward on the euro pound. Roy, you know the drill. I'm not going to be talking about the yen crosses. Yen crosses are on Thursday. We're looking at the euro US and the euro pound today. Put it in the chat, right? Let's make this a little bit more interactive. What do you think is going to happen on the euro pound on the H4 time frame? Is it going to keep going? Is it going to sit at this 8978 level, or is it going to go higher or lower? You got three options: sit across, go higher, or go lower. What do you think is going to happen? I love it. I love it that the regulars, those who attend this regularly, are coming up with the right answer according to me. There's no right thing ever, right? But the most likely scenario is that it looks like it's going to be resisted at this 8978 level with potential downside. Okay, so I'm actually looking at that move downwards. If it breaks below, I'll move that line lower about there. So it breaks below 8958. You're looking at a even a 40 pip stop loss for a good 50 pip take profit, 60 pip take profit. Risk 40, make 60. Not that 1:2 risk reward ratios that we are used to, but it's still a possible textbook trade, quite a good textbook trade that we are looking towards. I hope, the last time we spoke about the euro pound, we said that it was going to bounce off this 8895 level towards this 8978 level. It did exactly that greenish line there. I hope you jump into that trade. Now we are looking for it to break lower. So it's going to trade within that range. You can see that euro pound tends to trade within ranges with big breakouts after that. But as it trades within the range, take advantage of it. Daniel, the summary there, 8958 stop loss, 40 pips, take profit about 60. Straightforward. Facing upcoming resistance at 50 and 100 EMAs on the daily time frame. I don't have my 50 and 100 EMAs, but it looks like it will. Yeah, it looks like I still hold that view. It looks like it's going to resist 8978, possibly turn back down and test this level again before possibly a big upward move from 8895. Okay. Euro pound should probably be traded short and or medium term, right? Both short and or medium, because it needs to break below 8958. So that might take some time, or it might happen quite quickly. And then it sees just how long it takes to hit 8895. Okay, good stuff. So with that said, all you have to do now, you have attended the currency call today. All you have to do now is we'll put in the link again, and then all you have to do is copy that link, post it on Facebook, get everyone on board. 4-day course, absolutely free. With that, I'll pass it back to Jitwei.
Okay, thank you, Jin. Okay, so before you guys leave, just do the poll to let us know what you think of this webinar. I've also posted a bunch of links in the chat, our YouTube channel, to subscribe to it for our daily recordings, Telegram channel for the free signals, Traders Club link if you are interested in joining us. You have to join us if you want to improve your trading, and of course our free 4-day course link up there. So to join us tomorrow for the currency call for pound, the currency pound. So with that, I'll just end the call right now. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.